Stars platform. Today, our word is going to be leadership. There are many different styles of leadership. I just want to point out a few. So, we have some leaders that you can find are demanding, some are nurturers, some are visionaries, some are servants, and some are transformational. In the Bible, in 2 Kings chapter 24, it speaks about Nebuchadnezzar. And Nebuchadnezzar was what we would call today a narcissist. He was very demanding. It was his way or the highway. And you had to think, like, why would we put people in these positions of elevation? I wrote a book that's called Are You the Lion or the Prey? And I specifically talk about overcoming a narcissist and turning that situation around and making it work for your good. It's a strategy. It's not something that just happens. You have to be intentional about making your situation better. I'm also a certified life coach. And what I learned in my experiences are you have to look within. Don't look on what's going on outside all around you. Always come back to yourself and take responsibility for your actions. Do things that protect yourselves from any adversity, any adverse harm, any abuse, any negativity. You have to protect yourself. And how you do that is you get help and you do research. But at the end of the day, you can take a wicked, forceful Nebuchadnezzar, and you can use that situation to turn your life around where you're turning all of that pain into purpose and power. And that's how I use my life coaching skills to help me to become better and not bitter. I hope this helped you today. Please check me out, like and subscribe, and visit my website below for more details about my services. Have a great day.